everybody, a very good evening to all of you. So, as I keep bringing new topics for you, obviously in context of English, that can help you sound more effective, more advanced in your spoken English. So yes, on that same eve, today I have brought some replacement words for you which you can definitely add to your communication skills. Yeah, so as in my last two videos I have continued a series of English idioms in which I have shared 10 to 15 English idioms that is so easy, so funny, and yeah, obviously apart from that, most importantly, they make your communication effective. They make you sound more advanced in English. Okay, so what is for today? So today I have brought some words which you can replace. They are simply replacement of very. I'm going to give you an example. For example, we say something is so boring. Okay, so instead of saying very boring or so boring, we can just say it's so dull or it's simply dull. Okay, so yeah, I hope that you understood what is the today's video is all about. Yeah, so let's start with the very first, as we have started already with the first word, which is boring. So instead of saying something is very boring, you can say something is dull simply. Yeah, so it makes you advanced definitely. Okay, the another word is, instead of saying very busy, okay, instead of saying I'm very busy, you can simply say I'm swamped. I am swamped. I am swamped. Yeah, the correct pronunciation is swamped. Okay, the third word is noisy. So when you want to say a place is very noisy, or you want to say a area basically is very noisy, so instead of saying noisy, you can say deafening. It's deafening. Okay, then we have another word which is very quickly. Okay, very quickly is yeah, okay, but we want some, we want replacement for the word very. So instead of saying very quickly, you can simply say rapidly. So for example, I want to say that okay, I'm saying I'm asking my student to finish a project. So instead of saying that you have to do it very quickly or immediately, something like this, I can say that you have to finish your projects rapidly, which means very fastly. Yeah, then we have smooth. If something is very smooth, okay, smooth is smooth, but you want to say very smooth, so yeah, you have a replacement for this word as well. You can say that yeah, instead of saying this is so smooth or our business is going so smooth, you just can say it's going sleek. The word is sleek. Yeah, then we have mean. What is mean? Mean is somebody selfish. Okay, so if you want to say somebody that he or she is so mean or very mean, so you can replace this very mean with the word cruel. Yeah, you can say he or she is cruel simply. So instead of saying very uh, what very mean, you just can say that he or she is cruel. Okay, then I hope that these words are easy, very easy to understand, but obviously you need some practice. Yeah, because when we learn something new, we tend to forget things. Yeah, yeah, so that happens. You will have to repeat these words, or you can also note down these words while you are watching this video. Yeah, so now next move to the another word, which is special. Okay, so for example, I'm saying to my colleague that the recent policy by the company is very special, okay, which means it's very different or very special. So instead of saying the policy is very special, I can simply say the recent policy is exceptional. Yeah, the word is exceptional. This word is basically has been made from accept, okay, not that accept, it's accept, okay. So accept se bana exceptional, okay. I hope that you understood what I said, okay. The next word is colorful. If something is so colorful, so for example, the sky is looking very colorful today, okay. I just want to say that the sky is looking very colorful today, but I can replace this very colorful with a very easy and I think interesting word, which is vibrant. Yeah, you can say the sky looks vibrant today. Yeah. Then we have tasty, okay. So for example, you are sitting on a dinner table, lunch table, whatever, and you experienced or you tasted a dish which was very delicious, very tasty. So instead of saying very tasty, yeah, see, delicious is a obviously an advanced word in itself, and tasty is a basic, right? So you can replace the word tasty, but delicious in itself is a advanced word. So yeah, instead of saying very tasty, you can say delicious, and apart from delicious, you can also say appetizing. Yeah, appetite is your hunger, okay, and something is appetizing, which means it is increasing your hunger. So yeah, that makes complete sense. So if something is very tasty, you can say that this dish is so delicious, or you can say this meal or this dish is appetizing. Yeah. Yeah. Then the next word is thirsty. Yeah. So if you are feeling very thirsty, you want water, you are like dying, okay. So instead of saying I'm very thirsty, you can say I'm parched. What is it? It's parched. Yeah. Then we have, if something, some place or a area is very crowded, for example, usually markets, right? Whether they are garment market, where they are your food market, or they are general market, the marketplaces are usually crowded, okay. So for example, you went for shopping with your some friends, okay, and you want to say that, oh my god, this place is so crowded or full of people. So instead of saying crowded, full of people, what you can say, this place or this area or this market is bustling. Bustling. Yeah. So instead of saying very crowded, you can simply say bustling. So with this, I guess that I must have finished around 8 to 10 words, replacement of very. And I hope that you guys are, liking the series. So yeah, I hope that these words are helpful. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay tuned.